Let's cross the railway. Why there's no trains? Oh my gosh, look. £1,000 penalty. This is the main line. This is the main line. Oh, there's a cross. There's a triple. In here. It looks like it's crumbling apart, isn't it? Is it crumbling apart? The church, we've got to be quiet because there's a service happening in there. We're just past the park on the right, and there's a graveyard over there. We passed one last night, and past another one. This one's better. It's got trees, and the shops are closed. Oh my gosh, it's so cool! Look at down the middle. Look how cool that is. Big tree trunks along here, all either side, and all symmetrical. And that's not a small trunk. That's one huge. Oh my gosh, this is an old tree. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. That's so cool, that. Down a country road. Look at these trees. Oh my gosh. It's so they're slanted. They're going that way. I don't know what the reason is, but it looks pretty cool. It's so quiet around here. People must be lucky. So when it gets to night time, there must be a lot of peace and quiet. Neighbourhood up there is we're leaving at a neighbourhood actually, and just found something, main road and stuff. Just want to check it out. Random as that, in the middle of nowhere, we found Millwall FC players under 16 academy right here. Any Millwall fans, let me know what you think. There's a little moth following us on all the way. That's so random. It's random. There's a few moths in here. Yeah, they're just popping out. Excited moths. Anyway, get to our main road anyway. It might be exciting to see something. Here now, not in the trees, and along here, and they've got a nice phone box at the end. This is actually a cottage in Canterbury. That's a nice cottage though. And a field where cows, there's a big cows down there. There's a cottage. In a chimney, like this. Understand inside the house, but not on the outside. That's different. Dark, Harry. It's gonna be dark to come back down here. Anyway, gonna see the university for the last time that my nephew's been to, and try and get some pictures for him, and then come back a different way because that'll be better. I'll put my GPS on so I don't get lost. Under the trees now. We're going to an old route I used to remember to go with John, my nephew. They graduated today. Well, the vlog is old anyway. He graduated on Thursday. Is it Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. Yeah, and I like the sunset. Oh my gosh, it's sick. On the way back, oh, this is so random. But the town is down there. I know my way now. Look at the name of this pub. It's called the Unicorn. Ah, it's so cool. And there's a railway crossing just here. There's a railway crossing right here. Literally just here. In the middle of nowhere. How random is this? How random can you get to have a main line railway crossing just before the town? I didn't know it was here. A station down there. That's the way home station, the way home station. How random is that? Way back now. This is the end of the vlog because it's getting dark now. So, until next time.